What's up, guys? It's February 10th, 2025. Today's gonna be a pretty quick breakdown. I think I got sick over the weekend because my throat is killing me. So here we are on the daily, here we are on the 15 minute. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze every 15 seconds. Testing this previous swing high with this bar, yesterday's bar here. We had a gap down and then we rallied. This rally went right up to the leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Bulls are trying to buy low here, they get trapped. So when the price comes back to their position, the support becomes resistance. So this breakout bar, the high of this is support. Bulls get trapped, it becomes resistance because they sell out of longs. This is an overnight session. We're looking at this bar today. So this bar sold off here. Bears had a few legs lower, leg one, deep pullback, leg two. And then I'm sure there's a pullback around here because there's a gap down and then a rally. Give me 2 seconds, I'm gonna sneeze. Yeah, today's gonna be a quick one because I cannot stop sneezing today. I accidentally had my mic unmuted, so you guys heard me sneezing. So 15-minute chart, we have a gap up, bar one, a bear bar, not good for the bulls. Pull back, so this is a pullback gap up, leg pull back, leg two, so leg one, pull back, leg two. So the multiple legs higher, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back. Could be deep pullback, second leg trap for the bears, testing this breakout point here. And rally. Guys, give me 2 more seconds. I'm gonna sneeze again. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do a very quick one today. I cannot stop sneezing. So we have the gap up. This acts as a pullback. Bars 1, 2, 3, and 4 is a pullback. It's also a fractal 3 legs. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, pullback. 3, rally. Not an inside bar, but it doesn't close below bar 4. So that's bad for the bears, good for the bulls. And then we begin a 3-legged rally for the bulls. We can also call this 3 legs higher. So, okay, I'm jumping around here. So real quick, overall picture. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, pull back, leg 3. But now we're going to talk about how there's 3 legs here. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, bar 15, breaks the trend line, leg 3. Bears get 3 legs lower, leg 1, pull back, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, into support, and then we rally for another 3 legs, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, bar 60, trend line break, we sell off for a couple legs lower, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back. Do you guys see how the market rotates? Oh my gosh, today's going to be an annoying one. You guys see how the market kind of rotates? This is overall we're in a trading range on the higher time frame market cycle, but within this we have macro trends happening up on both sides. Bulls get a trend higher, and then bears get a trend creating a higher low. And I sneeze in like pairs of 15, so I just went on a sneezing spree. So we'll do the measured moves. Get this out the way. Measured moves not met. Trading range. After a big gap up, it's going to be hard to expect another measured move here, but we can measure the gap up and see. So the gap up, depending on how you measure it, obviously doesn't get 1-to-1 there. You put it at the bottom of the pullback. Excuse me, I did that wrong. Put it at the bottom of the pullback. It still doesn't get 1-to-1. It's a pretty big gap up. So to expect trend continuation, there's a measured move. The bulls would have to do some work. But when we have a big gap up, we can see a tradable leg within the first hour, and we got that up until bar about 17, 18. This right here already tells you the bears are that we're not in a strong trend. So we have a gap up and multiple bear bars in a row. So that tells you this is not a strong trend. Bears are going to try and come back. Bull trends don't necessarily start like this. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. And then we have a few bear legs lower. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. This could be a double top bear flag. Selling off into support, higher time frame EMA, and then it rallies for a few more legs. So the rally was pretty weak, but we can also count it as a leg 1, leg 2 like this. For some reason, my dog's barking, but it sounds like he's outside. So leg 1, leg 2 at the bottom of the pullbacks, not met. Swing target measured moves are not the end all and be all of trading. And I know a lot of people put emphasis on measured moves. However, they're just to keep us in the right direction where the current momentum. I'm trying to get into the groove of scalping swing targets, so I don't have to sit through drawdown. It's challenging. Can't say that sometimes I take a bad trade, but my P&L is looking a little bit better. Trying my best to get that payout in a couple by this week if I do everything right. Like if I play my cards right, I find out by the end. Who sings that song? Anyways, so 34, 35. It's a reversal after 3 legs down. I got filled around. I was trading Nasdaq. I got filled on this high, and I rallied. That was an all right trade. That ended up being a swing point. 3 legs lower, creating lower high on support, and it rallies. Lots of gaps in trading ranges. Gaps get filled. So here we have open gaps, but then they get filled on the way down. Then we have bare open gaps that get filled on the way up, and then, it looks like this gap right here, bar 37 is a gap, stays open. Not the strongest gap because it starts with the bear bar, bull, bear. We want to see three bull bars in a row, kind of like this. So, trades of the day. Today was a very quick one, guys. I apologize. I'll make it up to you guys later this week. We could also do just 3 bars because these are 3 strong bars. The measured move is almost met. In trading ranges, measured moves are always almost met. And then, people start to front run the profits and then it reverses. So here's 1 to 1 of this leg down from 17 to 25. Rally, double top. That's met with 33. 2-bar reversal. Put at the bottom of the pullback for a scalp. That's met very quickly with 39. You can see that people were taking profits. 3-bar Rango channel right here. Put it below 40. That's met here with 46. And then we have another 3 bars, 41, 42, 43. Put it right. Oh, excuse me. Put this one right here. See, shallow targets, I think in my opinion, are better because they tend to get hit more, obviously, because they're shallow. But something to think about in trading ranges. It looks like I just caught on the prices was contracting today. So the targets would have to keep getting more shallow rather than larger as the day goes on. 3 bars here, put it at the top of the pullback, and then you sell off for another 3 legs lower. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. Lots of trading range price action. Tough to trade past bar 72. All right, guys, 7 minutes long. Today was a little bit lackluster, but I'm about to go on another sneezing spree, so I will catch you guys tomorrow. Talk to me in the Discord. Yeah, I did a short stream today. I'll probably do a short stream depending on if I'm sneezing or not tomorrow. Appreciate your support. If you learned something, share the show. If you have some questions, ask me because today was a yada yada. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Thank you for your support. Have a good one.